While the orbiter was meant to stay operational for 1 year, ISRO says that it has enough fuel for remaining in orbit for 7 years. ISRO has said that the spacecraft is healthy and performance of its subsystems are normal. Marking a year of the Chandrayaan-2 integrated module having been inserted into lunar orbit, the Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO has released its initial set of technical and mission data. The agency said that though the soft landing of the lander was unsuccessful, the orbiter has completed 4,400 orbits around the moon and all 8 onboard instruments are performing well. While the orbiter was meant to stay operational for 1 year, ISRO says that it has enough fuel for remaining in orbit for 7 years. The Indian Space Agency has said that the spacecraft is healthy and performance of its subsystems are normal. The orbiter is being maintained in 100 plus or minus 25 kilometers polar orbit, circling the moon along the poles, with periodic orbit maintenance maneuvers. When any satellite or spacecraft is in space in a certain orbit, it swings wildly on a certain plane and moves a few hundred meters or even a few kilometers away from the intended path. That's when commands are issued to fire its onboard liquid-fueled motors to steer it back on course. So far, 17 such OMS were carried out since achieving 100 km lunar orbit on September 24, 2019. The statement from ISRO also adds that the 8 scientific payloads on board are being used optimally. Simply put, this means that the illumination on the lunar surface would vary throughout the year, depending on the sun's position. Hence, ISRO is making use of multiple equipment to capture images and conduct studies when conventional imaging cameras cannot function owing to poor lighting. According to ISRO, over the last year, the Terrain Mapping Camera 2 (TMC-2) has been able to acquire images of nearly 4 million square km of lunar surface area during 220 orbits. TMC-2 is said to be the highest resolution camera that is currently in orbit around the moon, with a resolution of 30 centimeters. It will be able to distinguish between objects that are 30 centimeters apart. This is besides the Orbiter High Resolution Camera (OHRC) that has captured images of about 1,056 square kilometers area. This data can be used to select landing sites for future missions. The images from OHRC can also help scientists understand the boulders in a particular region and help in interpreting the geological features and their history. India's first lunar mission Chandrayaan-1 is credited with finding extensive presence of surface water and the indication of subsurface polar water ice deposits. ISRO is also working on Chandrayaan-3, the country's third moon probe, and it is expected to be launched sometime in 2021 or later.